Did you know that one of the first online real-time settlement systems in the world was built by TCS? Built in the 90s for SIX, a key player in the Swiss and Spanish financial markets, this system is the backbone of the Swiss post-trade market infrastructure. A high-stakes transformation program of national significance, the system holds securities worth a few trillion Swiss francs and processes over 4 million transactions in a day, connecting 60 global markets. Continuing on this transformation journey, SIX partnered with TCS to modernize its post-trade platform.
We are all very happy because this project is going to give a second life to our core custody platform and make our relationship with TCS even stronger. You know, this project has been one of the most technically complex projects in recent years, and we are conscious of the high expectations that we have put on TCS, and I have to say that TCS has met expectations very well with an outstanding level of commitment. And our main goal is to be more customer-centric and user-friendly, and I'm sure that with this platform upgrade, we are in the right path. I'm more than sure that we can continue counting on TCS for the many challenges that SIX has ahead.
Leveraging the power of innovation, the modernized platform is scalable, provides high performance, reimagines user experience and lends itself for future transformation.
This transformation program is a testament to the strong foundation between TCS and SIX. This is a major feat that we have achieved by modernizing the post-trade platform of SIX in a record time. This new system, powered by the digital technologies, will provide a strong foundation for SIX's expansion in the global markets.
Powered by TCS, SIX is ready to embark on its global expansion journey. Tata Consultancy Services, shaping the future of financial services.